Okay guys, we're finally picking up the transmission for the C63 AMG. It's all palleted up and we're gonna load it up into the Lexus. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Let's find out how heavy this is. This is gonna be fun. So yeah, this came all the way from Oregon, whatever. Anyways, so went to New York, took like a long time, 19 days to be exact, to get it to New York, and then finally to get it over here to Toronto. So let's load this one up and bring it over to work, and let's cut that thing open, keep a record of everything, make sure it's good. All right, let's do it. Okay guys, so we got the transmission over here. So came from 541 Motorsports. That's when it was shipped out. We finally received it here in Toronto. So this is the original packaging. Let's cut it open and let's see what we got over here. All right. We're just gonna quickly inspect it, make sure everything is hopefully good, that there's no damage or anything.
There's the metal one, so just be fun to cut this one.
Yep. We got metal straps, so it looks like they've more or less secured it pretty well. Yeah, not bad. It's from a 2015 C63 AMG 507 edition coupe, but it's obviously gonna fit the 2012 C63 AMG that we got. Doesn't look like it's leaking any fluid or anything. There we go. Remove these little things.
How much push more forward?
Forward. Okay. There we go.
You know, I mean, this you have yours.
Yep, we got ours. This is gonna be either for sale or as a gift.
Shit, this guy's fucking broke the. Okay, this was
The what?
the bolts.
Oh,
It's okay.
broken bolts in the back. That's fine. Hopefully they can thread out.
Aluminum. It's okay.
It's aluminum. It's not the end of the world. But yeah. All right.
Connect to my side. So.
Okay, I'm gonna pause the video, guys. Actually, no, we're not gonna pause. Okay, looks like it still has the valve body inside, which is very good. We definitely need that. And
Give me some bolts so you can grab yours.
yeah, it's okay. All right, we're gonna check this transmission. Let's make sure there's no metal shavings in the pan or anything like
But
that.
the photo you sent me is like clean.
Ah, that's okay. This is fine. That's fine. I'm lifting. Oh, watch yourself. Okay. All right, guys, let's open up this pan and see if this transmission is good. Hopefully there's no metal shavings. Hopefully there's no damage or anything. And yeah. Moment of truth. It's been a long time. The C63 AMG has been down for, oh, we're missing one here. Or no?
Oh, yeah, I told you, it's okay.
That's okay. All right, let's see. Is this transmission good? And
No, see shavings, but
I don't see any shavings. Don't see
the
anything.
fluid is good. Huh?
Fluid looks good. Fluid looks good. Looks like this was a good transmission. I don't see any metal shavings. No powder.
It just is normally.
Yeah, normal.
This is normal.
Looks all okay. Obviously the valve body is in here.
Okay, give me the filters I was putting on.
No, we're not gonna do it now, obviously, but let's pull this filter up. Just make sure it's good. Okay. Yeah, fluid looks a little bit kind of tired, so. But it's pretty more or less normal. That goes right in the garbage.
That train's off of 507?
507 edition, yep, 2015 507. Huh?
Upgrade.
It's upgrade, bro. This car better drive like a 507 afterwards.
Literally, you may as well.
Okay. What do you?
It's no change. It's just hold the same.
Yeah. Okay. Not bad, guys. Just a couple broken bolts over here, but we can get those out. That's not a problem. And yeah, looks like this hopefully will be good. Obviously, we're gonna service it. We're gonna clean the pan, clean everything, and yeah, this is gonna be a interesting install. All right, let's put this all back together and see you guys in the next part. Good morning, everybody. We are back with the C63 AMG, and we are putting the transmission in the car now. We've got all our nuts and bolts and pans and stuff. Gotta clean everything up. And yeah, we got the old valve body right here. That one is going to be for sale. Got the new used transmission right there with the new valve body going in. We got all our fluids. Got our nice clean pan with no bolts in it. We got our filter. And yeah, obviously we're gonna lift up the car. We're gonna get that transmission into there and hopefully start this car, warm it up, check the fluid level, and then do a little bit of magic programming. So watch this. And with a little bit of movie magic, the skid is empty, the valve body is changed, some parts went from the box into the transmission, and the transmission is now in the car. And it is, boom, bolted up to the engine. Gonna have to clean everything up, connect the lines, connect the drive shaft, and yeah, connect all the oxygen sensors and all the clips and the harness and the brackets and this and that. And then we are gonna put on the transmission mount and the covers. We replaced that thing, the shifter cable, because it was no bueno. That actually took the longest. It took longer to replace that than to actually put the transmission up into the car. And yeah, so all this is gonna go there next. Let's do it. Okay guys, the fluid is in the transmission. Everything is connected, all the brackets, everything. So we're gonna jump in and we're gonna start the car. All right, hopefully it starts. Okay, we're in park. It's doing weird stuff, Eagle. Okay, let's figure this out. Okay, we put a booster on the back of the car, so let's see if it starts. It's in park, but yeah, it was doing weird stuff. Probably because the battery voltage was very low. But let's hopefully get power to the car. Okay, let's see if it starts. Nope. Hold on. Oh my god, it lives! Very low voltage on the battery, but it's alive. It lives! Okay, let's warm up the transmission and check the fluid level. Okay guys, so we got the car started. It obviously runs. We are now just gonna scan all the modules, and we know that the transmission needs coating. So let's just do all clear on everything else because the car had very low voltage. It's finally charged a little bit. We're back at 12 volts. So let's do that. Yes, we got a lot of faults, 51 DTCs, but they're pretty much all no communication codes and no low voltage codes. So power supply too low, so we're gonna do a quick erase all the low voltage codes, and then we're gonna get the transmission programmed, and hopefully we'll be able to drive. Let's do that. Okay guys, the C63 transmission is done. Eagle and I put it in. No homo. The car is now outside. Bye-bye car. We're gonna wait for Marco to come program it. And yeah, time to go home and get clean, because we're all black. See you guys at the coating. Okay, I am now the passenger in the C63 AMG. And we got Benz Pro Canada, Marco. We're not going to show what he's doing because that's classified. But we have a cable connected to the OBD2 port, and some magic is going to happen with that thing and that thing. And then all of a sudden this car is going to display a gear and it'll drive. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Well, we're not worried. And then we'll do the gear selector adaptation and the coding, and then all the magic stuff that happens. So yeah, let's get this done. Guys, we finally have the Prindle. The PRNDL, Prindle, you know this
PRA, what's the A?
The Prindle, the Prindle. That's it. Looks like the car is, oh, we got a low battery.
Is it?
Yeah, we need to put a booster on it. But yeah, we finally got the Prindle. So let's finish up the coating. Guys, the C63 lives. It is alive. No engine light, no nothing. The car is alive. That's it. And now we're gonna go drive it. Mr. Marco, thank you again.
Pick up some ladies.
Pick up some ladies. The only thing we're gonna be picking up is our our pride after not having this car for after 7 weeks of not having the C63. It's now finally alive. It's missing a diffuser, it's missing a spoiler, it's missing some love. We're gonna give it some love. We're gonna go for a drive. Let's go for a drive. I'm super excited. This has been a very long process. Okay, C63 AMG got some fuel. There we go. We're pretty much at full fuel. So let's go for a drive. Wow, this feels unreal to be driving this car right now. It has been 7 weeks. November 1st was when we brought the car to Mercedes-Benz and said, hey, there's something wrong with the car. Please figure it out. And they said, no warranty, you're on your own. And then we went through this whole crazy process. But that's it. We finally made it. We learned a lot, as I said earlier, and now the car runs. That's it. It's great. We just have a small little procedure that we still have left to do. It's called drive the car, so that the transmission can learn the gear shifts, because on the downshifts from 7 down to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it's very smooth. But on the upshifts, it's still learning a little bit. I wouldn't say there's something wrong, hopefully not, but it's still kind of, like it's still learning. So we're gonna drive it for a couple days, like, a couple kilometers, that's for sure. And let's see if after we let the car learn a little bit and we turn it off and let it sit overnight, maybe the brains will kind of come back to life. But let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm in second gear. There, it kind of goes up to third, but it's getting better. Like, it's a lot better. So there we are in fifth, sixth, seventh. So it's getting better. Like, even the second to third was kind of very, very weird. It just shifted up very strange. That's all I can say. It was like, but that's it. I think it's just, the fluid pressure building, the TCU is learning. It's a process. It's a process. That's all I can say. So I'm super excited. That's it. We made it. I am beyond tired, beyond exhausted, but very, very, very happy to be back in the car and to be able to just drive it. That's all that it kind of deserves. A car needs to be driven. It shouldn't sit. It sucks when a car sits and you can't drive it. It's annoying. And then you have to go out your way to make arrangements for other things, and it's not fun. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do next. It's gonna be the diffuser and the spoiler and some Christmas lights, so watch this. And we're done the test drive for the C63 AMG. Looks like everything is good other than the second and third and fourth gear, but we'll figure that out. In the next video, you guys are gonna see us install this beautiful carbon fiber spoiler, diffuser, got our Gorilla tape, and we're gonna do a little bit of Christmassy stuff with these lights, again with the car, but it's not what you think. We're not gonna wrap the whole entire car with these lights. We're gonna do something different. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am so happy that this car is done. It has been a long 7 weeks, so thank you to Egal, thank you to Marco at Benz Pro Canada Programming, thank you to ECC for allowing us to use the hoist. It was a very, very long process, but we learned a lot, and now the car is done. We can finally move on and just enjoy it and drive it until something else breaks. Like every other car on planet Earth, something will eventually break and we'll fix it. So it's all good. Thank you guys for watching this video. It has been a very long process. I am super tired, but very relieved that the car drives again. It's been a long time. I really appreciate you all for watching. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next one. Peace.